guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and welcome to a vlog that I haven't done in a long time. So I'm currently here at the Getty Museum with a friend. The twins are here and she's here.
My gosh, my hair looks so good.
Havana, unar. And today is just gonna be a chill day, walking around the museum in LA, and and then we're gonna go out to eat. And so yeah, I brought my project. I started a shorts. I started shorts with my noro yarn I got in Utah? New Mexico. So that's what I'm gonna work on and enjoy this vlog. Okay guys, so it's the day after the museum and it was so fun. We went out to dinner after the museum. I don't think I filmed any of that because honestly I was just trying to eat. But it was super fun and we got home like at 11. I didn't like get comfortable in bed till 1 a.m. because my brother was talking to me about Greek mythology. But still, it was still a late day, but it was really fun and I would definitely do it again. Now I'm here at a meeting with Kahila. Well, we're not in a meeting obviously, but we're waiting. The meeting starts at 10. It's 9:26 right now. And yeah, I didn't even get to work on my shorts at the museum at all. I was just cold and we were walking around. I was wearing heels and I just wanted to sit down. But since we're here at this meeting early, I get to knit a little bit on my shorts with my noro yarn. I'll show you guys everything, and then I don't know what'll happen for the rest of the day, but just enjoy whatever's gonna happen. Right, Kahila?
Right.
Bye. Okay guys, so this is the noro yarn I'm using, the one I got from New Mexico at that yarn shop. Oh, it's wool. 100%.
It's wool, 100%.
Yeah.
Nice.
And I'm using 4mm for the ribbing, and then I'm gonna be going up to a 5.
Similar colors.
For the body. For real, mine's just faded. It was just really bold and nice. So it's like 2 days later and we're back from the meeting, obviously, and it went really, really great. And now I'm just going to knit on these shorts that I'm going to be making, and then that's probably what I'm just going to be doing for the rest of the vlog, basically. So yeah. So I'm this far into the shorts and it's almost time to split for the actual pant leg. Okay guys, so we're going on a little side quest. So we're going to try boba for the first time, and there's literally a boba place like 5 minutes away from us. I personally thought boba was new. I thought it was like something that happened in 2020 because that's when I heard about it. So yeah, I'm a little late to the party. So we're just gonna try it and I'll get my reaction. I feel like it's gonna taste good, but I don't know. I'm really picky, so hopefully it's good because I would love to just go there and get some boba sometimes. I think it's pronounced boba, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, good.
No,
anyway.
boba. Boba.
Anyway, that's it. So let's get it. Oh, and I have my children with me, by the way.
Hello, guys.
Later. Okay, guys, we got the boba. So we got... Where we went to is Rafa Tea, and so we got the Rafa signature there, and yeah, it's non-dairy milk with some boba pearls and caramel sea salt, caramel drizzle with sea salt cream or something like that. So
Boba secured.
Let's try it.
Hold on.
I'm scared. Where do I even poke it?
Are we supposed to like mix it now?
No, you just...
Oh, where's the other straw? Pick it up.
Other way,
Malika, other way. Other side.
Oh,
gosh.
Oh, anyway. Yeah, okay.
Okay, guys, we're about to try it. About to make my first hole in my first boba.
Stab it.
Oh,
okay, mine was not even.
Okay, let me...
I don't know if we mix it or
I'm mixing it like this, I don't care. It has...
What's an interesting taste? Okay.
For real.
Oh,
it has cream at the top, and then, you know, those little bubble
I need
things,
to try it.
Alright, let's go. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Hold on, this tastes like... It tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Yeah?
The pearls aren't as sweet as I thought. I thought this would be like...
I'm glad it's not.
No, it's good.
Oh, pearls, that's what they're called.
Oh my gosh, I'm just getting pearls. I can't even taste the drink yet.
I thought this was gonna be super sweet.
Oh my god,
this is amazing. Bro, hold on. Wait a minute, let me not get pearls.
Right?
Without the pearls, it tastes like the chai.
Yeah.
Oh, this is good.
This is nice.
Oh my god.
10 out of 10.
I like it.
This is really good.
This is super good. I'm shocked.
This is good. 10 out of 10. Okay guys, I finally finished one pant leg. They're short, so it's not like a full pants, but I finished one, and I ended off with 4 rounds of ribbing, so it's nice and neat. And yeah, at least I got some progress in that you guys can see. I didn't want to end this vlog without showing like something, and so I'm glad I was able to finish one leg. Anyway, that's actually all I have for this vlog. It was kind of everywhere because I was just filming when I felt like pulling my camera out, honestly. So if it's chaotic, that's why. Anyway, like I said, that's all I have, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.